Did you know that 2% of people in Taos, New Mexico, can hear a sound that doesn't exist? Since 1992, they've been reporting a constant low-frequency hum that sounds like a diesel engine idling outside their window, except there's no engine. The hum never stops. It causes headaches, insomnia, and makes people physically sick. Here's the thing that makes this terrifying. When these people say the hum is at its loudest, sound equipment picks up absolutely nothing. Universities tested everything. The government sent teams. They checked for machinery, underground activity, radio waves. Nothing. But it gets worse. The same unexplained hum started appearing in Bristol, England, then Bondi, Australia, then dozens of other cities worldwide. Always the same description. Always the same 2% of people who can hear it. Acoustic engineers admit they have no explanation for what's happening in Taos. The official investigation files are public, but they raise more questions than answers. Because if the sound isn't real, why can some people hear it across multiple continents?